Hello friends, this is Manoj Agrawal from Banking Frontiers. Today I have with me Mr. Vipul Mahajan. He is the Chief Business Officer at Yubi. Vipul, welcome.
Thank you so much.
So Vipul, I understand you are releasing a report here at this conference based on some research you have done. Can you share that report? Can you share the highlights of that report?
Sure. We have released Yubi Partnerships report, the state of partnership lending in India. And
Fantastic.
could we present a copy to you?
Thank you so much. So what are the key findings in this report?
Just a quick anecdote that how the report is published is since Yubi is one of the large tech orchestrators of the partnership lending in the industry, we get to see over 100 partnerships running at any given point of time,
Wow.
right? And probably stretching another 50, right? Our peak state has been 300 partnerships live at any given point of time.
Amazing.
Some of the findings that we have found that in partnership lending, a large majority of credit, and that's a finding that we are personally very proud of, 88% of the loans are going in non-metro locations,
Superb.
which is driving the true financial inclusion in the country. Right? This would mean that probably somebody in a rural market is working with an NBFC operating there, who's co-lending a loan to a very large private bank based out of Bombay. Right? The entire distribution is getting streamlined, and the true financial inclusion is happening through this partnership lending as a framework.
So tell us the findings in this report.
The other one or two quick findings, we have seen that in the first 9 months, 25,000 crore worth of credit that has got disbursed
Through your ecosystem.
through the ecosystem itself. If I put that in context, in the entire partnership lending industry in the first 9 months, we might have seen probably another 60-70,000 crore getting disbursed, right? So that means that the report has actually seen and the platform has actually seen about 30-35% of all the flows that have happened in the country.
Wow. That's amazing. And it says here 10 lakh loans disbursed across retail and MSME segments.
Exactly.
How does this number compare with the industry?
So 10 lakh loans disbursed would mean that probably a large bank might be disbursing these number of loans in probably in an entire year. That's the scale that the partnership lending has actually achieved in the industry. You can think of this partnership lending as probably one of the way I explained to some of our banker colleagues is you can think of this as a very large bank living and breathing on itself. The state of partnership lending is that probably you're doing complicated home loans to small ticket personal loans and everything in the mix, from commercial vehicles, from CGT, MSE backed loans, right? From two-wheelers, from car loans and everything in the mix. It's a full-blown working financial services.
Right. All kinds of products.
All kinds of products.
Secured and unsecured.
Secured and unsecured.
It says here transaction average time from application to disbursement under 5 hours, which is a 90% reduction. That's impressive.
Thank you. That has happened only because of the AI infusion that we have done in the lending stack.
Okay. So AI is the story of the year.
AI.
So tell us, how does Yubi look at AI in general and in terms of the value it creates for your partner customers?
AI lending has become a core part of it, the way we run at Yubi. And one of the product demo that we're doing right now, what it does is that it reduces the integration timeline for any partnership from months to days.
Wow.
And the way it's doing is that the API integration, which used to take manual effort, is now working like a digital twin. This AI is working like a digital twin to the engineer who's doing it.
Okay.
Right?
That's
The integration, half a day integration is getting reduced to 10 minutes. You do that 10 minutes integration, get to know whether you're success or fail. Accordingly, make a tweak, immediately move to the next step. Probably any partnership requires 50 different type of integrations to be done. And think about every integration going through another 2-3 day hoop. That's another probably 45-day window there itself. Now, if everything is a 10 minute, then it's a few days job.
When did the AI journey begin at Yubi?
So AI journey in Yubi we have been doing for last 1 year.
Oh, that's quick.
And
in 1 year to achieve all this?
And this 1 year, I would say, is very deep work that we have been doing across the partnership space.
And what does the next year or two for AI look like? What kind of outcomes might it achieve?
The way we see it is that AI in the next 1 year, and that's the point that I was making, AI has defied Moore's law. Moore's law is the concept of that technology
Yes.
becoming double the speed
Double,
of
yes. It has
every year.
defied that.
It has defied. Every 3 months, things are probably double the
Wow.
capacity where we are, and you don't know where it is. Today, the AI that I'm speaking with you, I'm sure 3 months later, it will become obsolete and I'll speak something new. Right? We are keep building on foundation over foundation at a very rapid pace. So 1 year down the line, right, to answer your question, we will be running a full-blown AI OS for all of our customers. AI-based loan operating system for all of our customers.
I look forward to what kind of outcomes that achieves in quality and quantity. Thank you, Vipul. Wonderful talking to you.
Same.
Great to learn about this new developments.
Thanks.
All the best to UB.
Thank you.